You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce once and for all the name of this Australian professional rugby league footballer. If you want to learn more names from the NRL, stay tuned, I've got many more for you. Kaeo, that's how it is pronounced. I believe there would be a way that would be more Polynesian, that would be Kaeo, but he pronounces it, it's generally pronounced in Australia as Kaeo Weekes. Kaeo Weekes. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.